All right, guys, what is up? Today we are going to be changing out the rear view mirrors on the Scout for the under mirrors that go underneath. They're from Mr. Lucky's. I have them right here. These are them. I bought them on Amazon. So just something to keep in mind, they do come in a box of just one. When you order these, I'll put the link down below for these. They're probably the most popular one that I've seen. You order them, they come in a box, but it only comes one in a box. So I thought it was a set for $39, but it's one each for $39, something like that. I'll link them down below so you can check them out. Just keep that in mind. If you order them, you have to do order two because only one box comes in the mail like this. So you have to order two. But it comes with this little bracket right here and an Allen wrench right there in there. And then it has the mirror, of course. I'll show you that. This is the mirror right here. It's decently large. Here's an iPhone XR. This is it compared to an iPhone XR. It's about half the size of an iPhone XR, so you can kind of judge it that way. And it also comes with something else here. I haven't got all the way through the box here. And this will be like the bracket and everything. So use this shim when mounting clamp to a 7/8 handlebar, which is I think what I have is 7/8. We have some screws right here, another bag to open, and this is the clamp right here. It's super heavy duty. But first we got to take these stock rear view mirrors off. I'll walk you through that. I'm going to use a 17mm wrench. Let's get going. All right, 17mm. Break it loose like that. Here we go. Kind of unscrew it from there. Maybe slowly but surely. Yep, here we go. There we go, there's that off. And then we repeat the same process on this side over here. Just loosen that. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so assembly from what I can gather goes like this. This is your little bracket right here. I think you unscrew this. Put this on here, but this doesn't clear that hole, so I think I'm going to have to take this little spacer out and then put just that little locking nut back on there, whatever that's called, locking washer, and then it should go on just like this and then tighten up just like that. So this is your handlebar clamp right here. This is what hangs down, and then the mirror itself has a little hole in it that you put into there like that, and then you tighten it down with an Allen wrench, and that tightens it down onto this. So this is your whole assembly, just like that is what it's gonna look like without it wobbling everywhere. So yeah, let's go put it on the bike. All right, so these two screws just come off with a Phillips. So we're gonna unphillip them like that. We're gonna unphillip them. If I can unscrew these fuckers. There we go, that's a better Phillips for sure. All right, we're unscrewing these. All right, clamp comes apart, and then we will mount it just like that. So let's screw this clamp on here just a little bit tight so we can kind of mess with the positioning here. And I think the best way is going to be with it about, so there's the curve, maybe like an inch or two down like that. And I think we can position it like that to where the mirror is going to be out like this, which should be about perfect, I think. So let's go ahead and tighten this up all the way. And it doesn't seem like I need that shim for these bars. So it's pretty tight, and I can still kind of rotate it if I put a little muscle into it, but I don't think it's going anywhere just like that. So let's tighten this little thing down at the top. Got a 1/2" wrench. Tighten this little nut down up top. Get it to where we want it position-wise. Right there seems about good. Yeah, see it's moving. Maybe I should have used a shim, I don't know. We'll try it on the other side. And then this goes here. Let me get the Allen wrench. We're going to be using the smaller silver one that came with it. Okay, so it looks good, but it's also kind of going around the bar a little bit. I think I'm gonna have to use a shim on the other side, and if that works, then I'll throw one on this side as well. So this time we're gonna take this shim, and it will just kind of wrap around the inside of this, looks like. So this time we shall go around like this with it. And put that shim on the inside here, like that. Seems like it's too thick. Yeah, so it just cut it off. Like if you try to like tighten it on there with the shim, it doesn't work at all. So I guess we're just gonna have to use it without. So let's undo this like last time. Throw this on. All right, let's tighten this down. Throw this on. Get some screws in. We'll throw the mirror on real quick. And again, on the back, guys, what we're doing is once you put the bar through this little hole, you just tighten it down with this Allen wrench in here like that in that little slot. And that's what tightens it down. Now we tighten this piece down up top, 1/2". And we tighten this. Okay, that should be good. All right, guys, so that is the final look right there after the Mr. Lucky's mirrors. This is before, and this is after. This is what the front looks like after. So you can kind of see like a full picture of what it looks like from the side. It definitely looks better than having those big like Mickey Mouse things sticking up. I probably need to get something to plug those holes. I don't know what, but I'll find something. So yeah, guys, that was the video. That was the project. It was super simple. That took me about 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes total of actual work time. It always takes longer when you're filming something, and making a review of something takes a little bit longer. But if I wouldn't have been filming, I could have done that in 5 or 6 minutes pretty easily. Any other suggestions you guys have, throw them at me. If you're a company, you have stuff for motorcycles, let me know. Maybe I'll review it on the channel, put it on the Indian, give you a video. You can kind of showcase your stuff. Give me some free shit. It always works both ways. But yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel if you want. The whole channel is not about Indian, it's about random stuff, but I am going to be doing an Indian Scout project on this channel so you can kind of see it, and I'll make a playlist out of it so you can kind of click through as you go, or as I go, working on this bike. Oh, and again, I will link these mirrors down below so you can find them on Amazon. It's super cheap to get. It doesn't say Prime shipping on them. It doesn't have Prime, but there's a goddamn plane. But it came in like 2 to 3 days anyways. And then of course, when you buy from Amazon, you get that satisfaction and like peace of mind knowing you bought from Amazon. You get that beautiful Amazon customer service return product. If anything goes wrong, they'll take it back and refund you immediately. But yeah, guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay riding or something. Bye.